Hi, I'm Dan with Campers Inn RV. Today we're going to talk about how to de-winterize your RV. To de-winterize your RV tires, we're going to visually inspect the sidewall to make sure we have no cracking or dry rotting on it. If we do, we're going to replace the tires. We're also going to inspect the tread wear to make sure we have no irregular wear on the tires. If we do, we're also going to replace those tires that need it. And we're going to fill the tires to the recommended PSI rating. Some of the consequences to not de-winterizing your RV tire could be a blowout while driving down the road, or possibly running down the road with a underinflated tire and giving yourself an irregular wear pattern, and then you will have to replace your tire, or in worst case, if you have a blowout, you will have to get roadside assistance and fix your blowout. Another thing I'd like to add to de-winterizing your RV tires is to torque the lug nuts. Make sure the tires are on properly, so that way we do not have a tire accidentally come off during transit. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you clarity on how to de-winterize your RV. At Campers Inn RV, we pride ourselves in being the RVer's trusted resource. We also have a website and blog full of information for you to research and make the most of your RV lifestyle. I encourage you to check it out at this link below. Thank you for watching and choosing Campers Inn RV.